Hello students, we have a question here that in the adjoining figure the capacity of each conduction condenser is 1 microfarad and the resultant capacity between P and point Q will be. So this capacitance is C. So each capacitor is of C capacitance. So let us consider this branch as C first branch, second branch, third branch and fourth branch. No, this branch is fourth branch. So in each branch, capacitor are in series, and in series combination, if the capacitors have an equal capacitance, then we have to divide to find out the total capacitance. We have to divide it by the number. In short, the capacitance of first branch will be C, and capacitance of second branch will be C by 2. Capacitance of third branch is count the number of capacitances 1, 2, 3, 4. So third branch capacitance is C by 4. Similarly, capacitance of four branches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth branch will be C by 8. Now these all branches are connected in parallel, so the total capacitance will be equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 and so on, because it is going up to infinity. So the total capacitance is become C plus C by 2 plus C by 4 plus C by 8 plus and so on. So in short, this capacitance C total is becoming, we can rewrite it as C plus C by 2 की power 1, 2 की power 0 plus 2 की power 1 plus C की power 2 की power 2 plus C upon 2 की power 3. So it is a GP formed here. So we have to find out the ratio by which it is multiplying to form another term. So let us suppose this term as first term, that's why we are writing it as A. This term as second term, that's why we are writing it as B. So the ratio or R is given by B upon A. So second term is C by 2, first term is C or C by 2 की power 0. So R will become 1 by 2. And the sum of GP is given by A upon, or we can say C total is given by A upon 1 minus R. So A is C and 1 minus R is 1 minus 1 upon 2. So it will become C upon 1 upon 2, that is 2C. So that total capacitance is become 2C or 2 microfarad, because the value of C is 1 microfarad. So C is the correct answer, 2 microfarad. Thank you.